You are super excited because you just got Excel Office 365 version and above, and you discovered the comment feature. Those comments are really cool because you can see who wrote each comment at what time, what date, and that will facilitate collaboration. Now the only problem you have is that you still have comments from the previous versions of Excel and they look so ugly. So can you convert those comments to the new comments of Excel? The answer is yes, but before I show you how to do it, I want to tell you that those old comments are called notes in the newest version of Excel, and I have a video comparing notes to comments. Feel free to check it out. Now let's get to work. So you go to review, under review you have notes, and you can choose convert to comments. After that you'll get a warning telling you that you might be committing suicide. Don't worry, convert all notes, and there you go, everything is now converted to comments.